Does this look a little too familiar? Just swinging around, wasting energy?
Yeah, that uncontrolled movement, that's what's holding you back.
But hey, there's a much better way, and it all starts with the foundation.
The big secret is the hollow body position. It's your base for pure power.
So let's build it. Start from a dead hang, arms totally straight.
First thing, engage those shoulders. Pull them down and away from your ears.
Next up, your core. Brace it like you're about to take a punch.
And a slight pelvic tilt, absolutely key for that powerful, straight line.
Okay, foundation is set. Now let's get to the actual pull.
For your grip, go just a little bit wider than your shoulders.
Okay, this is the most important part. Drive your elbows straight down.
The mindset is down and back, not out. That's what hits the lats.
And see, this is why that core has to stay tight. It's not optional.
It literally protects your spine from any dangerous arching. Super important.
Plus, it kills that energy-wasting swing. You get total control.
All right, what about the legs? Well, they're not dead weight. They're an anchor.
You want to keep them straight and just slightly out in front of you. So no bending your knees or crossing ankles. This is pure strength, not momentum.
Okay, time to put it all together. Let's walk through the perfect rep.
First, pull until your chin is all the way over the bar. Full range.
Then, you gotta lower down with control. Don't just drop.
Go all the way back down to full extension. No half reps here.
And there you have it, the blueprint for a powerful, legit pull-up. So, you've got the blueprint. Now how many can you do?